Astronomers classify planets based on their size and composition. The giant planets fall into two main categories. Gas giants. Jupiter. Saturn. These planets are made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements found in stars. They do not have a solid surface like Earth. If you tried to land on one, you would sink deeper and deeper into thick clouds until the pressure crushed everything. Ice giants. Uranus. Neptune. Despite the name, ice giants are not made of frozen ice cubes. Instead, they contain large amounts of water, ammonia, and methane ices, mixed with gas. All four giant planets formed early in the solar system's history and played a major role in shaping the planets we see today. Astronomers classify planets based on their size and composition. The giant planets fall into two main categories. Gas giants. Jupiter. Saturn. These planets are made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements found in stars. They do not have a solid surface like Earth. If you tried to land on one, you would sink deeper and deeper into thick clouds until the pressure crushed everything. Ice giants. Uranus. Neptune. Despite the name, ice giants are not made of frozen ice cubes. Instead, they contain large amounts of water, ammonia, and methane ices, mixed with gas. All four giant planets formed early in the solar system's history and played a major role in shaping the planets we see today. Jupiter is the undisputed giant of our solar system. Size and power. Jupiter is so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It contains more mass than all the other planets combined. Its gravity is incredibly strong, making Jupiter the most influential planet after the Sun. Composition. Jupiter is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Deep inside, scientists believe there is a dense core surrounded by metallic hydrogen, a strange state of matter, created by extreme pressure. Because of this, Jupiter produces a powerful magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system. The Great Red Spot. One of Jupiter's most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm, larger than Earth, active for over 300 years. Wind speeds reaching hundreds of kilometers per hour. This storm shows us just how violent and dynamic Jupiter's atmosphere really is. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter has over 95 known moons, making it a mini solar system of its own. The most famous are the Galilean moons. Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa, sea covered in ice, with a vast ocean beneath the surface. Ganymede, sea, the largest moon in the solar system. Callista, sea, heavily cratered and ancient. Europa is especially important because its underground ocean could potentially support alien life. Jupiter. Earth as protector. Jupiter's massive gravity acts like a cosmic shield, pulling in or deflecting asteroids and comets that might otherwise strike Earth. Without Jupiter, life on our planet might never have survived. Saturn is often considered the most beautiful planet in the solar system. The rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice, rock, dust. They stretch for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, yet are incredibly thin in some places, only meters thick. Scientists believe these rings may be remnants of destroyed moons or leftover material from Saturn's formation. A lightweight giant. Despite its size, Saturn is surprisingly light. In fact, it is the least dense planet in the solar system, theoretically light enough to float in a massive ocean. Saturn's moons. Saturn has more than 145 moons, each unique and fascinating. The most important is Titan. Thick atmosphere, lakes and rivers of liquid methane, complex organic chemistry. Titan closely resembles early Earth and is considered one of the most promising places to search for life beyond our planet. Uranus is unlike any other planet. Extreme tilt. Uranus rotates on its side, tilted at about 98 degrees. This means its poles face the sun directly for long periods. As a result, each season lasts over 20 Earth years. Parts of the planet experience decades of daylight or darkness. Color and atmosphere. Uranus appears blue-green due to methane gas, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Cold temperatures. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures dropping below 220 for C. Why Uranus matters. Despite its calm appearance, Uranus challenges our understanding of planetary formation and climate, making it one of the least explored, but most intriguing worlds. Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun. Extreme weather. Neptune holds the record for the fastest winds in the solar system. Speeds over 2,000 km/h. These winds create massive dark storms that appear and disappear over time. A dark, cold world. Neptune is incredibly cold and dark, yet it emits more internal heat than it receives from the Sun, a mystery scientists still don't fully understand. Triton, Neptune's largest moon. Triton orbits backwards, suggesting it was captured from another region of space. Triton has ice volcanoes and may also contain a subsurface ocean. The giant planets are not just impressive, they are essential. They shape planetary orbits, protect inner planets from impacts, influence the formation of life. Their moons may hold oceans, chemistry, and conditions suitable for life beyond Earth. The giant planets remind us that the universe is vast, powerful, and full of mystery. They are worlds of storms, oceans beneath ice, raging winds, and hidden secrets, worlds that challenge everything we think we know about planets and life. As technology advances, future missions may finally reveal what lies beneath their clouds. Until then, these giants stand silently in the darkness, guarding the solar system and waiting to be understood.